In this video, I'll show you how to turn off screen reader on your PS5. So every time you select something, there's a voice telling you what you have selected or what is highlighted. This can be something that not many people want. So how do you turn this off? Very easy. Okay, so over here, you're gonna go in the settings on the top right corner. Once you're here, you're gonna go up and select accessibility. Once you're here, you see screen reader, select this. And usually if you hear the voice, it means that it's turned on. You simply need to go there and turn it off. Once this is done, you can simply exit these menus and yeah, keep doing what you're doing because the voice won't be heard anymore. Thanks for watching. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please subscribe. Check my Amazon links if you need another controller for your PS5 or accessories. You support my channel this way, and I'll see you in the next video.